Morning everyone. Today we are discussing with a topic. The topic name is return type. This is very important topic for class 10th and generally coming in boards. So let's start the topic, that is return type. If you'll see return type, the definition is what? It is the data type used before the method or function. Method or functions are the same thing. So before the method name or function name, if I will use any data type, that data type is called as return type. For example, if you'll see here, the method name is what? Sum. And before sum, we are using what? Void. So void is a return type. But you all knows that void is returning null value. The meaning of null value means what? Negligible value. Before sum, the second example, before sum it is mentioned int. The int is integer value. Means this function will return which type of value? Integer value. Like that. The third example, if you'll see, before the sum function, char is mentioned. So these all are the examples of return type. Now we'll move to the next slide. More details you'll get. The first function, if you'll see, void sum returns a null value, which I already explained to you, and int sum returns an integer value by using return keyword. Return keyword means this is a keyword which is we have to write like this: return 0. Means if it is mentioned that int, then at least the function is returning 0. The next function is what? Sum only, but the return type is what? Character. Char written here. So this will returns a character value by using return keyword. As return a means it is returning some value, some character. So we'll move to the next slide. Now I am solving one question. I am solving one question which will explain you and which will clear your doubts about the return type and non-return type. The question is very simple. You can see that is, write a program to find the sum of two numbers by using a function. So this question I am going to solve by two different ways. The first way is the general way which you all knows, that is class declaration is there. Then main that is sum function I declared, two parameters I declared. Then I am printing a plus b, means I am finding the sum. And in the main function we are creating an object. The object name is ob, and by using ob we are calling the sum function, and we are inserting 3 and comma 4. 3 is the value of a and 4 is the value of b. So students, I discussed that 3 and 4 is the value of the parameter a and b. The value of a is how much? 3, and the value of b is how much? 4. So we'll move to the next slide. This one you knows very nicely because we already solved many questions from the function chapter. The next one now, which is very much new for you, that is by using return keyword how to solve a question, this type of question. So you see the class is declared the same way as the previous one, class ABC here, and the previous question also we solved class ABC. Now you see next one, int sum here. You see this previous question here, it is void sum, but so the previous question here it is mentioned void, but this question it is mentioned int. The previous question here it is mentioned void, so this function will returns null value, negligible value. But the same question I am solving by different way, and before the sum function name it is mentioned int. So int is int is returning some value, as I explained to you in the beginning only, that int is returning integer value. I am finding the sum of two numbers, so I am writing inside the function body that return a plus b. A is integer value, b also integer value, and I am finding the sum and I am returning the value. This is very much important to write. If a function containing one return data type. Now the same way as the previous main function you have to declare, object we have to make. By using the object we have to call the function. The value is given 3, 4, same way 3 is the value of A and 4 is the value of B. So this is very simple, but the way is little different from the previous section. The next, I am giving you one homework, and this is already solved question from your book APC of class 10th. The homework page number is 303 and the program number is 11. So one of the question given which is solved by using return function. So how to return, if a function will return some value, then how to solve the question that is mentioned in this question. So you just find out it, and if you have any difficulties, please write in the comment section. So for that I can explain you on the next video. Thank you very much. All the best.